She bend over backbreaker.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word to Mr. Patoranking, aka the reaction boss, and we're back in effect with another video for you guys. We read a song from Sauti again. I just did this reaction for you guys yesterday. You feel me? This was a different song today. This one is 7 years old. Yeah, but yeah, I've been recommending it, and as I said, let's go to the comment sections and just choose songs by random and react to them. So if y'all want to see me reaction to any songs, anything you feel me I get enjoy, just drop it down below in the comment section, and also you get to see your comment right there next to that I post. So comments to the girl in body, baby, you will see it over there. So you did me I say. Anyways, so this song is called Melanin. Okay, let's see what I go on for that. The song got like 41 million views. So I guess I'm gonna try to get 1 million views off of the reaction. So I guess we need for the player part, people. Like the video so the video get recommends to more people. Comment so the video get recommends to more people. Then just share it to your friend and tell them to go check out the little Jamaican boy up on YouTube. You see me I say, yeah man, alright, could go on. Run through.
When a good girl gone bad, what you gonna do? Run go meet her dad.
Hold on, did you just take a run go meet her daddy? When a good girl gone bad. But for real, why you gonna when a good girl gone bad? Hold on. Just another good girl. No, she gone bad. Who sing the song? Conscience? No, no Conscience. A Taurus Rally. Cause now, and she impressed me. She shot her clothes, them she always dressed. Alright, go on.
You don't wanna do. Well, this is Sauti soul. Patoranking what best, yo. Watch this. Love confession. Why she's a heartbreaker.
But you never tell me say that in the video. You never tell me say that in the video. Oh, follow me on Instagram and TikTok and my next YouTube channel. This is me I said the name director so. Yeah, let's go.
She bend over backbreaker.
What in the name of oiled up is going on? Run you.
Steaming hot water vapor. I wanna date her.
Go on.
She's a heartbreaker. She bend over backbreaker. Steaming hot water vapor.
7 years ago, I saw them. Did I go on 7 years ago? I said them. Did I go on 7 years ago? Go on.
Boy, I wanna date her. So tell me why you do me so. So tell me why you do me so. Baby, me not gonna let you go. Girl, me not gonna let you go. So tell me why you do me so. Tell me why you do me so. Girl, me not gonna let you go.
Well, I don't think this video is that old. The quality too good, but let's go.
Me not gonna let you go. Me spend all me money, spend all me cash. Call you me honey, but you threw me pon trash. And you think say me gon' leave you like that? No way. Why you do me like that?
Hold on, the way you go to about him, G. You spend the whole of your money pon her already in the dog. There's nothing you can do now in the dog. She changed. Too bad. And I hear fault. You spoil her.
I tell you, girl, I'm waiting on you. Even if them hating on you. But me never send them. Whoa. In my life, I've never seen melanin so dark. You're a queen of the dance floor. Night socialite when I rubbish scene, baby.
Sing to the girl, let me G. Sing to them. Bumbuckler. Run it.
Melanin so dark. You're a queen of the dance floor. Night socialite when I rubbish.
I said never see melanin so dark. Then I say, baby, you're a queen of the dance floor. Why I'm saying about that?
Melanin so dark. You're a queen of the dance floor. Night socialite when I rubbish scene, baby. Would you put me in your diary?
Right.
In my life, I've never seen melanin so dark. You're a queen of the dance floor. Nice socialite when I rubbish scene, baby. Would you put me in your diary? She's a heartbreaker.
No, that one of that shit breaks out for real. I'm not gonna lie to you. But hold on, man. Yeah, enjoy the video. I think when I say enjoy the Bumbuckler video, like the video right now, man. Like the video. Yes, I you me at talk, my G. Like the video, dog. Yeah, man. Mad. Oh, subscribe to man. I feel like a bad me a bad you. Subscribe. Alright, man, run through.
She bend over backbreaker, steaming hot water vapor. I wanna date her. She's a heartbreaker. She bend over backbreaker, steaming hot water vapor. I wanna date her. So tell me why you do me so. So tell me why you do me so. Baby, me never let you go. Girl, me never let you go. So tell me why you do me so. Tell me why you do me so. Charlie, me never let you go.
You better let go. Let me tell you, cause they got on in World War VI. And you don't want that. Go on.
Tell me never let you go. I think I saw you in the magazine, or maybe on TV.
Maybe it's a magazine for real, and I'm not gonna lie. I think I see her now on a magazine too. You see me? I say, maybe upon TV as you say still, I don't know, but we see her somewhere though. Go on.
I'm close when you're queen, you're a queen. And if you know me well, you know I don't kiss and tell. But I want you to myself, baby.
7 years ago, it was good to be alive to blood clot.
In my life, yo, me never seen Melanin so dark. You're the queen of the dance floor. Nights a shine light on the legacy, baby. Won't you put me in your diary? In my life, yo, me never seen Melanin so dark. You're the queen of the dance floor. Nights a shine light on the legacy, baby. Won't you put me in your diary? She's a heartbreaker. She bend over backbreaker, steaming hot water vapor. I wanna date her. She's a heartbreaker. She bend over backbreaker, steaming hot water vapor. I wanna date her. So tell me why you do me so. So tell me why you do me so. Baby, me never let you go. Yeah, me never let you go. So tell me why you do me so. Tell me why you do me so. Charlie, me never let you go. Tell me never let you go. In my life, I never seen Melanin body shaking like a tambourine all night. In a me,
The dog said your body shaking like a tambourine.
I never seen Melanin body shaking like a tambourine all night. In a me head, you are the melody, baby. In a me head,
In a me head, you are the melody. The man are full of lyrics in the dog.
like a tambourine all night. In a me head, you are the melody, baby. In a me head, you are the melody. In my life, I never seen Melanin so dark. You're the queen of the dance floor. Nights such a light, one night, be seen, baby. Won't you put me in your diary? Heartbreaker. She bend over backbreaker, steaming hot water vapor. I wanna date ya. Yeah. She
Why the freak the group break up if they were so fucking like good together? Me don't know. Let me know what going on. Is there some controversy going on in between them? Why? Why? I want to know why. Go.
She's a heartbreaker. She bend over backbreaker, steaming hot water vapor. I wanna date ya. Yeah, 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 yeah.
That is it. That is it. We don't want to miss nothing. Alright. So, you know the vibe already. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. You want to watch a next video from me? Go on my second channel at 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Reacts. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, wait till tomorrow again. You know the vibe. Anyways, Reaction Boss will sign out. We're on the road to 100K. So tell a friend about Reaction Boss. Peace.